Well, hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. It is Chad from Colorado Giants. We're going to give you a quick update on the Screenhouse right now, so stick around. So, if you don't know what the Cool Cats and Kittens is in reference to, it's the Tiger King. If you haven't watched the Tiger King, I highly recommend it. It's horrible in all of the right ways, so make sure you check that out. I just wanted to do a quick, just general update on what we've been doing. It's been probably, I don't know when it's been. It's been a week and a half, 2 weeks since I've done kind of an update. I have some more peat moss. I got another pallet of peat moss that I'm just laying out. And there's been a lot of work done on the greenhouse. The greenhouse, as it stands right now, all of the metal framing is done on that 100%. My soon-to-be brother-in-law and Joel came and helped me again on Saturday. Today is Monday. They come in Sunday? Sunday. They came and helped me on Sunday. Today's Monday. Joel went through and worked on all of the footer board. She screwed in the two brackets there on every single post. So she was a rock star helping out with that. My brother-in-law and I, Stuart, were working on the end walls, and much progress was made, especially on the rear end wall. So we got all of that, rough framed in. But then we did run into a little bit of a hiccup when we were working on the front end wall and mounting the door. I know my limits. If you have been watching the channel for any amount of time, I'm 100% positive that I've said multiple times that I'm not a carpenter in any way, shape, or form. Neither is Stuart. And I kind of thought I could tackle it, and I think we did good, and I think I could do it. But because this wall is going to have the roll-up door, it's going to have a door, it's going to have that large exhaust fan back there, and it's going to have a shutter vent up there. I've decided I'm just going to call in a real carpenter. Hopefully he'll be able to finish it tomorrow on Tuesday, to finish this wall right here, because I know my limits and I don't want this to suck. I want it to be good. I want it to be done right. I want it to last for years and years and years and years and years. And for that to happen, I need to call in a little help on this one. And they're going to be finishing that end wall right there, so it's done correctly. But other than that, as far as the structure as a whole goes in totality, as soon as that's done, all I have to do is put on the channel lock. Once the channel lock's on, we can do the plastic. That's going to be a little bit tricky because unlike the screen house, in years past, the plastic needs to kind of go in. The only place that I'm really concerned is on the end wall, because I have one layer that's going to go on the end, and then I have two layers that's going to go on the top. All of that's going to have to go into the channel that's going to span that in one. So that'll be a little tricky getting all three layers in at once, but I'm confident we can do it. So that's it, just a real quick update. I'm going to be working on a seed starting video. That may be out now, it may be not, it may be out tomorrow, who knows. That's it. Questions, comments, queries, or concern, let me know. Comment below. If you have any questions, get out there, grow a giant pumpkin. Thanks for watching.